So today guys, we're just going to be doing a quick unboxing video. Just got my package from GHST Racing. We'll see what we got here. Pretty big box. Alright, so first off, got a t-shirt. Pretty cool. Let's do this box here. Not sure what this is. This will be my mounting plate for the transmission cables. Really nice quality there. Super clean. It's pretty cool. Put this off to the side real quick. Also came with the hardware as well. Let's see what this little box is here. Oh sweet. They included a shift knob. See if I can get that on the video here. Really nice quality there. It's got some good weight to it as well. So we also have the shifter cables right here as well. These look actually really nice, so that's cool. And then we have one more thing left. Oh, there's some more stuff here. Sticker, always good to have those, and a thank you card. Cool. Now we got this out of the way. Let's open this up. And here is the shifter. It's probably the shift arm, I'm guessing. Yep. So, just all the little components for that. Here's the rod on that. Pretty cool machine work on there. And here is the big boy. And this is the shifter. So, yeah. Right out of the box, looks pretty good. Super, super clean. This is their TSX shifter for the B Series all-wheel drive conversion. So the cat's kind of out of the bag. I'm going all-wheel drive. And this is one of the first parts to the setup here. One of the Allens just kind of came out of the shifter part there, but we'll just get it put back in. But yeah, like I said, so we'll be doing an install video on this as well. So everything from hooking the cables up, putting it all back together, and the entire all-wheel drive conversion. I'm going to try and document as much as possible for that. Also stay tuned for a couple of other videos we got planned, a couple other projects that I'm going to be doing. So yeah, this is a really good shifter here. So here's the shirt. I didn't show you guys that. Pretty sweet. So I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but they gave me a pretty good deal on it, so I appreciated that. So yeah. What's up, guys? Got another video. We're going to be unboxing today. A couple things I got. The first one I already opened, just because I forgot what it was. So we got some clutch plates here for locking in the clutch plates in the diff for the CRV differential, all the way from EKR Racing. Huge thanks to them. And we also got this ramp style delete kit case you have a ramp style, but I do not. But I'll keep that off to the side. And also got a pretty cool shirt. Pretty dope. And of course, some cool stickers. So that will be the first one for this. And then second package we have today is going to, we'll just open it and find out. But sweet. So this is gonna be our Speed Factory front wheel drive to all wheel drive billet shift fork, and the shims and everything in between for this kit. It's not even open yet. I bought this from I believe his name is Ryan Spiker, but I'll go ahead and open it up for you guys. So what they do with this is you send these into Speed Factory. They cut off your old, whatever you want to call this, arm piece, and they weld on a billet piece on there instead at the right height to be able to run your front wheel drive gear sets. So that's what I'm going to be doing, because I don't want to run the CRV gears because I think they're going to be too short, and I just think that the CRV gears are pretty weak. But yeah, so this is what we got here. This is the Speed Factory front wheel drive to all wheel drive fork that they send you. And here is the shimming kit. Comes with a bearing as well in there. So I know Speed Factory has a video on this. So I'm gonna have to watch that a couple times, but for the most part, seems like everything should be straightforward. So yeah, this is really nice. Really good welds on it. This is really thick metal here, so it's pretty sweet. Appreciate EKR Racing for sending me out some clutch plates for the delete kit. And yeah, so just another unboxing video. I'm probably gonna put this one together with the Jack Spaney one I did on the TSX shifter, so they'll probably be in the same video. But yeah, slowly coming together here, so stay tuned. I'm gonna be uploading a couple other videos, some from school, some from here at home. A couple things coming up. I'm going to be pulling my motor, redoing my engine bay, doing an ABS delete, something I've been wanting to do for a while. I'm going to be doing a fuel cell setup as well. So I'm going to have to pull my old tank and all that stuff. So that's what we do in the winter here. We just stay busy with projects. So it's time to start moving and get to work. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next one.